Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in gold USD currency pairs. As usual, we will start from the weekly time frame to daily time frame, then to the lower time frames. In all the time frame analysis, I'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels. These are only reference levels for deciding on your entry and exit on your trades. It's not a trading advice. Let us start with our analysis. So I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the price action in weekly time frame, as we already know, the current price action has gone up to the level of 2072 and then started its retracements. When we look at the past price action also, it went near to the level of 2079, then the retracement had started. So when we look at the previous price high and current price high also, it did not manage to cross the previous high. So it went nearer to the previous high, then the retracement has started. So the bullish trend is still weaker and it couldn't break the previous high. So when we look at the overall retracement from the past price action, so previously the price action went up to the level of 2075, then the retracement started. Then from the level of 1679, the bullish trend started. So when we look at the percentage of retracement from the previous fall, we'll use the Fibonacci's retracement tool to find out the retracement level. So from this level, the price has started its bearish trend and came up to the level of 1677. So when we look at the fall or the retracement on the bearish trend, it is currently retraced up to the level of 61.80, and we have seen spikes trying to go on a bearish side, but the body of the candlesticks have not closed below the level of 61.80. Still the body is above the 61 level. So looking at the price action, currently this level is acting as a very strong support and consolidation is currently going on above this level. It has weaker bullish trend and the bearish trend is also weak. But looking at the past price action, from here we have noticed a consolidation, then the sharp fall in the bearish trend, then little bit of bullish trend, again it started its bearish trend. Currently there is a consolidation going on. We can only predict the price action from the past price action. So from the past price action we can expect the consolidation to complete and to continue with bearish trend if the Ukraine and Russia war tension is resolved. So we have to wait for the war tension to get resolved to get a proper trend in gold. So when we look at the current trend of the market, I am drawing a channel pattern. So it is still in a bullish trend, and every time when it tested this resistance level, we can notice that the price has bounced back and retracement happened. And only at this location it has broken this resistance line and went on a sharply on a bullish trend, and we all know that this is due to the war tension between Ukraine and Russia, and after this we have noticed a sharp fall in this price action. This level or this line is acting as a very strong support, which is around 61.80. Once it breaks this support line, we can expect a steep fall in this currency pair, and we can expect it to take support on the support line of the bullish channel pattern. As long as the currency pair is trading between this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in this currency pair in weekly time frame. So looking at the past price action, we know that this level is acting as a very strong support zone. So first the current price action has to break this support level between 61.80, which is going to be around 1924 to 1876, in order to continue with bearish trend reversal. The next level of support is going to be around 1829 to 1771, which is going to be a very strong support level, because in the past we have seen price action consolidating over here and then the bullish trend has started. This whole area will be acting as a next level of support if the bearish trend reversal starts. Let us mark the support and resistance levels according to this Fibonacci's retracement tool. So this is going to be the first level of support. If the price action breaks this support zone, then we can expect the next level of support to be around 1826 to 1765. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, it was on a very strong bullish trend and took resistance at the level of 2070, and then bearish trend reversal has happened. When we look at the price action over this area, you can see a consolidation going on over here as notified in the weekly time frame analysis. So currently the price action has to break this support level of 1919 in order to start its bearish trend reversal. So when we look at the previous price action also, it was forming into a head and shoulder pattern. It has completed its right hand and left hand shoulder also, and it is waiting to break this neck level, which is going to be around 1919. Once it breaks this neck level, then we can expect the downtrend to start and to test the next level of support, which is going to be around 1874. As long as this support level of 1919 is not broken, we can still expect the consolidation to continue or a sideways market to continue in daily time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels in daily time frame. Wait for the price action to break this support level of 1919, then you can take trades on the bearish side. Until then, we can expect the sideways market to continue. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame and hourly time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we notice the price action, it is still in a very nice downtrend. We have noticed the price action come and test the support level of 1919, then to consolidate, retested the support level of 1919, then started its bullish trend, and we can notice that it has bounced back from this resistance level, again took support at the previous support level, which was acting as a support in the past also. So this level is going to be acting as a very strong support level if the bearish trend needs to continue. But currently when we notice the price action also, this resistance line is holding strong. Every time the price action tests this resistance line, we can notice the price action bouncing back on the bearish trend, and it is forming into a triangle pattern. So soon we can expect a directional movement in this currency pair. But when we look at the price action, it is on a retracement or in a bearish trend. So I am expecting the price action to break on the bearish side and to start its bearish trend reversal. But if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect a bounce back on the bullish side. So wait for it to break this previous low, then you can decide on the bearish side trades. As long as it is taking support on the previous low, we can expect the consolidation to continue within this resistance and support line. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I am drawing a trend line from this level. So when we notice the price action, it has clearly broken this trend line or the support line, and the downtrend has started. But again, this level of 1919 is acting as a very strong support from the past price action. So first the price action has to break this support level of 1919 in order to continue its bearish trend reversal. Next level of support is going to be around 1896. It has to break this level in order to further continue its bearish trend reversal. But looking at the past price action, this level has been tested several times. Every time the price action tests this level becomes weaker and weaker. So I am expecting the price action to break this support level and to test the next level of support, which is going to be around 1896. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. We already know that the current price action has completed its bullish trend and it has broken this support line, and currently it is in a very nice downtrend. And looking at the current price action in 30 minutes time frame also, it has not broken the previous support level of 1919, and it is showing a bounce back or a bullish trend reversal. As long as the price action doesn't break this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame, we can expect the consolidation to continue within this support and resistance line for 30 minutes time frame. So if the price action doesn't manage to break this support level, we can expect a bullish trend reversal and to retest on the previous resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. As long as this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame is holding, we can expect the consolidation to continue, and if there is no any bad news from the Ukraine-Russia war tension, we can expect a bearish trend to start in this currency pair. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us wait and see if the price action breaks this support level or not. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. I have drawn one more support line for the 5 minutes time frame. When we notice the price action, it has gone up, then retested on this support line, again gone up and retested on this support line. Every time when it retraced, you can notice that it couldn't break the resistance level of 1925, and a consolidation is currently going on in 5 minutes time frame. Even if the price action breaks this 30 minutes time frame resistance line, we can expect it to take resistance at the 4 hours time frame resistance line, which will be this black color resistance line. So if you want to take directional trade, wait for it to break this resistance line, then you can go on a bullish side trades, or wait for it to break this support line from the 5 minutes time frame, and we can take trades on the bearish side. The next level of support is going to be around 1919. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the values in blue color boxes are going to be the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in consolidation in 5 minutes time frame. Wait for it to take a directional move, then you can take trades on the direction it breaks the support or resistance line. We have come to the end of the analysis for this week. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.